Hello everyone. So as you already know that what we are going to study today because you have already read the thumbnail. So without wasting much time, today let us let us study about angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. But before moving to this angle sum property of a triangle, I want all of you to revise one topic. Let us revise that one topic, that is about linear pair of angles, or I can say that angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. What does this says that? Angles on a straight line. What does it mean? If I will ask you to remember that if I'm having one straight line here, can you tell me what is the measure of this angle if one angle is being formed here at this point A? What will be the measure of this angle? Yes, exactly. It will be of 180 degree. So we can say that if this 180 degree is being divided by maybe in two parts, maybe in 1, 2, 3 parts, or maybe more than that. The sum of all these angles, the sum of angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 which are being forming here will always be equals to 180. Why it will be 180? Because they are forming on a straight line. So remember that the angles which are forming on a straight line at one point will always be equals to 180 degree. Good. Now as you already know that angles formed on a straight line will be equals to the sum of them angles will be equals to 180 degree. So now let us see that what is actually our angle sum property of a triangle. For this, we need to do some certain activity, a very small and very interesting activity. This activity is that let us have a triangle with us. Let us have a triangle with us. A normal triangle I am taking and I am marking all the three angles here as angle 1, angle 2 as well as angle 3, because we know that and we know all the properties of a triangle, that a triangle is having three angles, three sides and three vertices. So I am just marking that there's three angles like that. What I need to do is that I will take a pair of scissors with me and I will just cut out these angles from here. Let us just do it. Keeping this at one side, let us remove this angle 2 also. Now you can see that what is left with me, this kind of shape is left after removing all these triangles. I have kept all these angles with me aside, 1, 2 and 3. Now what I am doing is, with the help of a scale, I am drawing one straight line here and giving this name as line AB, marking as one point O anywhere in that line. And what I will do now, I will try to arrange these three angles. I will try to arrange these three angles at this point. How I will try to do it? Like this angle, can I put it as here, having its center at this point, and angle 1 here. I hope you can see it properly. And one more angle is there, that is angle 2, like that. Now I can see that all of my three angles are just for are coming on a straight line. Angle 1, 2 and 3, all these angles are coming on a straight line. And do you remember that if if for example three angles are here like that, this was like my three angles which I placed here. So can you tell me what will be the sum of all three angles? It will be equals to 180 degree, means I can say that 1 plus 2 plus 3, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180, because just 2 minutes before you have studied or you have seen that if you have seen that the measure of all the angles which are coming on a straight line is always equals to 180 degree. So we can say that in a triangle, let us write it here. In a triangle, the sum of its interior angles, its interior angles is equal to how much? 180 degree always, because it will be behaving as a universal truth. Means if you are having a triangle with you, any triangle with you, doesn't matter whether it is an acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, or any triangle, the sum of all the interior angles of this triangle, means one angle, angle 2 and angle 3, will always be equals to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. So this is about our angle sum property of a triangle. But how we can use this angle sum property to solve our questions? There will be very basic questions for us to solve in this type. The questions will be like, might be they will give you an example like, find the measure of x. Find the measure of x. For example, I am having one triangle with me. Right angled at point A. Angle B is 50 degree. What will be the measure of angle C, or I can say here x? What will be the measure of this x? How I can do it? Yes, it will be very easy. I know that this angle is actually equals to 90 degree. If a square box is here, it indicates that it is a right angle triangle, so 90 degree. I can say that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is actually equals to 180 degree. What is the reason to say like that? Because yes, angle sum property means the sum of all the angles of a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So instead of these angles, I am putting the values here. Angle A means 90 degree plus 50 degree plus x will be equals to 180 degree. Then 90 plus 50, 140 degree plus x equals to 180 degree. Then using the transposing method, this 140 will jump from this side to this side. Then x will be equals to 180 degree minus 140 degree. So x will be equals to 40 degree. We can say that the third angle of this triangle is actually equals to 40 degree. So this is all about angle sum property of a triangle. I am repeating that angle sum property says that the sum of all the three interior angles of a triangle is always equals to 180 degree. And I hope you have understood it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Press the bell icon also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.